Moment of silence for the champions, for those who make going hard a lifestyle. Never wait for nothing, gotta get it right now. I'm in the spotlight when they turn the lights down. Only a champ swing the hardest in the 12th round. I love the fourth quarter, I love the ninth inning, I love game 7. Bring on the competition, cause in my heart, yeah, nobody do it better. Can't slow me down, won't stop me, never. I'm so Cassius Clay, I'm Tyson in his prime. You little league with, I'm Barry Bonds with mine. I beat the buzzer, baby, my stroke is hole in one. You see the checkered flag, finish line, here I come. And I ain't gotta brag, I let the trophies do it. Around here we the best, now come and hold me to it. I specialize in everything that can't be done. Ain't no more talking about it. Moment of silence for the champion.
They say we warriors, they say we did it again.
Hands high for the champion.
We are victorious, we only in it to win.
Stand up for the champion.
No surrender, no retreat. We take the battlefield over every time.
Hey, clap your hands for the champion.
We came, we saw, we conquered everything in sight.
Moment of silence for the champion.
Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. That's the sound you hear from the crowd when we come through.
They screaming.
Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. We run the town here, can't you tell when we come through?
They screaming.
The champions, we are the champions.
They screaming.
The champions, we are the champions. Can't nobody handle us. There ain't no competitors. No wonder why we are the champions.
You read the newspapers, you saw the magazines, you got the internet, but you ain't gotta Google me. My name is up in lights, my face is well known. You see a Super Bowl dancing in the end zone. You see